So good morning everyone. What I want to tell you all that means now we are in Darjeeling, and what I want to say you all people that means the place where I am right now. It's a very beautiful place. Why I am telling this, because you know that after coming here we have means taken shelter in a homestay, and which is very good. Means the location, the people over here, everyone so good. So means everything, and we are planning something big from here. Means yeah, it's as it is the pandemic time. So unlike other time, this year we have planned to go some places, but not to. We would like to avoid crowded places mainly. Why? Because you know that we have to be careful. Parallelly, apart from means enjoying the tour and everything. And one more thing I would like to share with you all, that means this year we were not able to means come by train. We didn't get the time. We decided our tour on 11th hour, so it was not possible for us to book a train, and this is why we came here by bus. But the experience of journey I would like to share with you people, that means the journey was fantastic. Means I didn't expect there's that much comfort coming by bus. By the way, we came by the bus named Shamuli, and the service was awesome, and means we had no problem at all. Just we boarded on the bus at night 8 o'clock from Colony More Barashat, and we just reached Shiliguri the next morning 7 o'clock. And means afterwards we hired a jeep, and hiring that jeep we directly came to Darjeeling Riva Homestay. It's a very good one, and obviously means we are so happy, because after so long time we were not expecting this much comfort coming here, but all the things we are getting from here is quite exceptional. How is the coffee?
Nice, very
Nice.
nice.
How is the coffee?
Very good. ভালো ভিডিও করছে খাবে আরে মাস্কটা খোলো
So it's a very much different kind of tour for all of us, because unlike other years, we are not focusing on visiting so many places, sightseeing, etc., etc. Rather, we prefer means enjoying ourselves, because we all know that this is different kind of time. So means here means we are enjoying this place. Means the place it's a zoo just opposite to our homestay, and it's a very beautiful place, in the sense means the way we are enjoying this is good for us.
পুরোটা একবার দেখিয়ে দাও পুরো ফাঁকা চত্বরটা দেখিয়ে দাও এটা পুরো
Yeah,
নেই কোনো
you can see that it's a very much vacant place now. Vacant, you know that as people are so much afraid to come, so this is why, yeah, it's good for us also. So we are feeling a bit more safer this time. So thank you so much. And here you can see my missus is enjoying the coffee. She's so happy with that. So we all who are here, we are happy the way we are spending time. So welcome back. This is a place where we have come by mistake. So sometimes by mistake we do some good things for us, and this is a perfect example for that. And I think means the place which is very very beautiful. So I'm not means sure whether you people are able to see the clear view from my mobile camera or not, but I'm just trying my best. Okay.
So actually, it's a village road. You people can say, and in search of a very good location, we came here and we found this place, and we didn't try to waste this opportunity to take rest here. It's perfectly on the lap of nature, and here with us the same people. You can see my Mrs. Onesha and Bappa is just behind me. He is just coming downstairs, and obviously this is a very good tour for all of us, means our group, because finally we find a place means which we were looking for. Actually, it was not our intention to visit means crowded places, but to enjoy the place, and this is perfect example for that. You can see just we just climbed down from that particular place, and we have come here, and we are just taking rest here. So finally we are in Happy Valley. The place is awesome, awesome, just awesome. See this, see this, excellent place. Awesome, very very beautiful place. So hello everyone. So we are now in a tea garden, and so the scenic beauty you see from here, amazing, amazing scenic beauty, and you can see the entire garden. Yeah, I have seen tea gardens before, but this time I am inside the garden, and it's very very much beautiful, very much beautiful, and obviously the way means I'm surrounded with all the trees of tea, and means everything is quite beautiful here, and walking just in the middle of this garden is quite amazing, and obviously it's quite pleasing for all of us. So again with the same team we are here, and I'm just showing you because I'm excited to obviously show you the way I'm seeing everything. And see this, what an amazing place is it. Yeah, and definitely I'm going to show you through my back camera as well. As you people know, it's quite difficult to show clear view through the front camera, so obviously I'm going to show you through the back camera as well. So you people say hello to everyone.
Hello. Hello.
Okay, so I'm going to show you through my back camera as well. Hello everyone, we are little bit tired, means walking for a long time, means at this moment we are at Lamahata, and we are still walking. Just on the way we are taking rest for a few minutes. Afterwards we will continue walking until we reach our destination. And after reaching the destination, I will show you the place. I think you people will like it. I also have never seen it before. So after reaching upwards, I will be able to see that. So we are meeting there. Thank you. Thank you so much. Just see from where we actually came. Means I'm trying to show you. Just zooming a little bit. So no, I think you won't be able to see it so clearly. However, we came through this way. And we still have to go through the way upward. We have to go through this way actually. Means you people can see the bamboo fence there. Means this way we have to go. Means okay, thank you. And showing you my partners, Anisha, Moshumi, and obviously the young boy is here. Thank you so much. Meeting you again. As I promised you earlier that after reaching on the top of our destination, I will show you people the place. Means it's a little bit of different place. Means just I am standing on that particular rock, and it's not only about me but also my wife and my all the partners are here. So this is the rock on which I am standing right this moment. It's time to work. Very early in the morning, waking up. It's a very pleasant work for all of us. And this time, I and my missus, we are working together. Just in the morning, and can see so many other people also are doing the same thing. Means they're working, they're doing exercise and everything. And this is so good. Yeah. So hello guys, this is Nightingale Park, and we are enjoying sitting here. We means our team. We are always in a team. And one thing for sure, that the view is awesome. The park, first of all I would like to show the park to all of you. This is the park. One more thing that I would like to show from front camera as well. And the amazing scenic beauty will see when I'm going to show you through front camera. So let's do it. Just see it to believe it. So I'm going a little bit forward so that I can show you. Okay. I'm zooming in a little bit for clearer view. This is Kanchenjunga. Kanchenjunga from Nightingale Park. So there has been a discussion going on for what would be the menu for today's lunch, because we are going to leave tomorrow. Yeah, obviously there is a mixed feeling. We are a little bit upset that we have to leave this place, and the way we enjoyed, everything will be ended for this year, and we will be waiting for the next year.
So one thing I forgot to share with you all, the tasty food we get from here. This homestay is awesome because of this, and particularly for this person. All credit goes to this person. So it's my request to all of you, whenever you people visit Darjeeling, do visit Riva Guest House. It's Riva Homestay. Sorry, Didi. So the comfort we get from here, and the charge is obviously in your budget. So definitely. So we are going to have our last dinner today here, and our Didi is with us. So I will give the phone number of her also, and the Riva Homestay number also, so that you people can visit here, and obviously I can guarantee you that you people will get the comfort you actually demand from a tour. So thank you so much for today, and we are going to leave this place tomorrow, so we are a little bit upset for that. Thank you so much.
Just see this place, it's a jungle. And inside this jungle, we are here. We are on the way to our home from Darjeeling to Siliguri. Just on the way, we got this jungle. See the place. Just see the place. Just see where we are standing right this moment. The place is full of clouds. We are not able to see anything properly, and the weather is, I'm honestly speaking, I'm feeling so cold, but my sweater is inside my bag. So I'm standing here in spite of having the problems I'm facing right this moment. But the thing that I would like to share with you, that the weather is awesome. Just see the weather. We can't believe that we are returning now. We are returning, still we are having something special for us. So
유난히도 캄캄한 밤에 나 홀로 너를 생각하네. 이런 기분 설명할 수